Hires. Welcome to our channel. Company generally hire for hard skills and the fire for soft skills. How and why? Let's see in this video. When it comes to skills, they can be break down into two types. Hard skills and soft skills. They are pretty different from one another, but both are necessary to be successful on the job. Actually, hard skills are any physical skills relating to a specific job abilities, and hands-on training. For example, if you are a welder, welding would be a hard skill. If you are a nurse, nursing would be a hard skill. Or if you are a computer programmer, coding would be an example of hard skills. Soft skills, on the other hand, are personal qualities, communication skills, attitudes, mindsets, behaviors that would be used in every job. These include communication. That's what brings people together, closer to each other. Teamwork. Teamwork promotes maximizing the sharing of knowledge and ideas. Time management. Good time management enables you to work smarter, not harder, so that you get done your target in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. Negotiation skill. Negotiation skill is a crucial aspect, especially at workplace. Such skills are considered as highly essential for effective teamwork. Let's look at the differences between the hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills are tangible, that means, these skills can be clearly seen. On the other hand, soft skills are intangible. Hard skills are not common to all sectors of work. But soft skills can be applied to all sectors of work. Hard skill generally learned through school training, or previous work experience. Soft skills are more difficult to develop. You will need to practice them over time in the real world with others. They come naturally to some people while others may not have. Despite their differences, you will need both hard and soft skills to become successful in your career job. Remember that. Someone said, soft skills get little respect, but will make your career. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.